What's up YouTube, back again with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing my latest pickup, is the Yeezy Boost Zebras. I'm going to get straight into the video. I hope you're all in the Christmas spirit. I laid my whole room like that. Right, we'll get into the unboxing. Just put these down to get it out. Oh shit. It's the wrong bloody row. Right, I have them here. So these were the second release. Definitely wanted a pair for a while, wasn't paying the big resale. Rumours of a restock. Restock happened. I managed to get these off, I think it was 18-month rows, which was tweeted by, I think it was Soul Restocks or something on Twitter, where they had restocked the restocked, because I missed the general release. Yeah, I think, yeah, definitely from 18-month rows. I paid £180 for my size. On this part of it. I'll go with the size label. Normal 350 box, as always. I shall get into the unboxing. What I'll do is I'll just lower you down a bit, or I'll come out. Yeah, that might do. Right. Easy packaging. Oh. I'll get the other one out as well. Nothing else in the box. Put the receipt back in there, in case I ever want to send them back. Right, box down. We'll go around the shoe. Factory laced. Pull tab. Now I'm not sure if there are any differences compared to the first restock, and not first restock, the first ever batch that was released compared to the second. I've heard rumours that there may be a bit of a lighter sole. And you can still see a difference in the yellowing to the white, or the white sides. Got boost. Get it to focus. There's some juicy boost. Some tasty boost. And adidas Yeezy in the centre. If you're with the right shoe, exactly the same. Pull tab. And obviously UK, you get the labels, size chart and normal. The toe box, factory laced. Bring them both up if you'd like to see a difference. Get them both in. And I'll switch it. Well, I might be best to do that actually. And then, if we've done that side, go with that side. And go with toe box, which seems to be very nicely matched up. I say so. Because most of the time when I end up getting these Yeezy releases, the like the C's that come down, they always generally be messed up, but these seem very nice. Of course, if only they smell like that after you've worn them. A nice set of pull tabs as well, nice decent length. Normally I tend to get big ones, or too tight, but these are a nice length. I'll give you a show round. Just going to show you around them. Sorry if there's any flickering from the lights behind me. I didn't think it would be like that. Where's your Christmas spirit, guys? Come on. And the underneath. If it can focus. Right. I shall put them away. I didn't want to get the Yeezy Zebras, as they're quite a bright colourway for me. I already have a pair, but second restock is, no, I missed them. I noticed that they are still sitting on a few other websites, but it's not a cop for me. I have entered raffles for the new off-white Air Forces, so the black and the bolts. Would prefer the black. Up until recently I was offered the pink, is it Zoom Flies off-whites by Offspring, but pink, I'd rather have gone for the black, so I passed on that offer. Offspring said that I've got one offer left, no reply. I'm not sure what the other offer could be, time will tell. And for any of my current subscribers, I've recently picked up a new tripod, or bigger tripod for the camera, a lavalier mic, so hopefully my audio on videos can be a bit more better, and I've had comments that it's quite quiet. And I'm also wanting to pick up a GoPro. I'm still looking for one of those, probably second hand with it being cheaper, for you know, activities, daily vlogs, driving in the car, because a camera like this is quite big in front of the windscreen. So stick around for more. The mic will be introduced soon, and hopefully it's better than the mic on this. Have a good Christmas if I don't see you before then, and I will catch you in the next one.